I will tell you the story of the gnat and the bull. A gnat flew over the meadow with so much buzzing for a small creature and settled on the tip of one of the horns of a bull. After he rested for a short time, he made it ready to fly away. But before he left, he begged the bull's pardon for having used his horn as a resting place. The gnat told the bull, "You must be very glad to have me go now." The bull said, "I didn't even know that you are at the tip of my horn. It's all the same to me." The moral lesson of this story is that we are often of so much more importance in our own eyes than in the eyes of our neighbors. But the smaller the mind, the greater the conceit. I think we can learn from this story in particular that we should appreciate the value that we have and do not overestimate the skill set and the experience, because everything we know we learned from someone else. Just because you're making the most buzzing and annoying sound doesn't mean that you are big in the eyes of other people, because that one at the top of the mountain might see people small and they see him small. Thank you very much. مدرب لغة وليد خالد.